do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why did
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is another fall home decor haul plus a little bit of decorating. I'm gonna show you guys where I put everything. I went to the Target dollar spot and then I also stopped by at Marshall's and I picked up a few too many things. Honestly, I just went crazy in general, but like I can't help myself. If these things make me so happy, like why not bring it into my home? It just makes me so happy. Also, I do have a fall home decor tour, so I take you through the entire downstairs, show you guys all of my fall home decor that I have out. And in that video, if you guys noticed, I feel like a lot of the stuff that I had are very like big bulky pieces, so I kind of wanted to focus on smaller things to like kind of just put throughout. So that's kind of what I did. And a lot of the stuff that I showed in that video are things from last year. So of course I had to get new things for this year. Yeah, let's go ahead and start with the Target shopping. Made it to my sanctuary, huh? Made it to church, huh? I mean Target. Those are so cute. Those are the perfect size to put on top of the kitchen.
Oh yeah, on top of the kitchen thing. All right, let's come
So
down here and see what colors
orange,
we should do.
Orange. This goes with our theme, right?
Okay, orange.
These are $3 and not the $1
Aren't you
ones.
glad we came to Target? Oh my gosh.
Oh, I like this color too. Look.
That's green because you're mean. Okay, perfect.
No, it's not.
Grab the blues because we have the blues.
Look. I have these.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4. There's yellow too.
Oh my gosh.
Do we want super
Because we're
colorful?
feeling mellow yellow. Gosh dang, I'm so good. Mellow yellow.
Babe, that's not a good joke either.
Joke for every
like
color.
This. That's cute, huh?
Let's do it. Throw it in.
There's more. Little mini ones over here.
Oh, we found mini ones.
White? I like this. They're so cute. Oh, there's more stuff. These are all the perfect sizes of things.
They're all like knickknackies.
How much is this? Is this $5? $6. These are cute. These look like those we have on the table right now.
Oh, you stick them on stuff?
Yeah. You stick them on something.
Oh,
Where can we put them?
I have no idea.
They're kind of cute. Hocus pocus.
That's for Halloween.
That's cute though. Oh, this is cute. I like this. $3. This can go in the kitchen. There's that one and a white one. Both together? Do they look cute together?
Yeah.
Cute pillows. A cute little frame that you could change the lettering on for $5. Ooh. Okay, look at this little $3 find in the dollar spot compared to this that I was like, oh, these are cute. $15. I mean, granted you get 2 more, but still.
Yeah.
You can get 2 more of those.
3 times 2 is what?
6. That would be $6. Yeah, this is 15. Still more than double. I will say these are some of the cutest things. Little salt and pepper, and that's only $5. I just know I wouldn't use it, but little serving bowls, pumpkin placemats. I already have placemats, but these are so cute. I'm getting this one. This one I'm getting. Remember I was looking for like this straw, natural, woodsy kind of pumpkin? These are so cute, but that one's like $16. What?
Itchy vibes.
Oh my gosh.
You love itchy vibes. You do. You have a thing.
It's so cute. It didn't scare you? Okay, look at this that I found.
I don't care. I'm out of this ball, bitch.
What? Come back.
Too much false light.
Okay, I'm deciding against the garland, and I think I'd rather kind of lay some of these out on top of the cabinets in our kitchen, because if I do that garland over there, it's gonna look funny as like one little section with them. I'd have to get like 3 of those, and I'm not gonna spend $60. These are only $5. I made it to Marshall's where there's a ton of cute stuff like this. Light up harvest sign for $25. $5.99. Why?
I know you're obsessed with pumpkins.
So you're prohibiting me from looking at this?
It's the pumpkin zone.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I'm walking away.
This is the happy zone. Babe, this is happy cozy zone. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Weston, come back. Babe, please. We need everything here. Look at this. This pumpkin is is beautiful. $7.99. Look how cute this is. Glam pumpkin. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest. Listen, we need that. It's not even Halloween time, but he's too cute. Okay, so I have my Target bag here. You guys, I ended up getting these sugar skull candles. These are like big and legit, like heavy, solid candle with a sugar skull on it. These are the cutest thing. These were not like in the regular home decor section. They were like towards the back by like the gardening stuff. They had like other Halloween stuff back there and a lot of like Dia de los Muertos stuff. I just thought this was so cute and it was $10. Like for a candle like this, like usually even the regular candles are like $15. So $10 for a sugar skull candle. I know this isn't like fully fall, but I thought they were so cute. Okay, then I also picked up a few of these like felt pumpkins. They're a pretty decent size and I plan on putting these on top of our cabinets in the kitchen. So I guess we'll see where they end up going, or I might just kind of sprinkle them throughout. I also got these little kind of like, what are they? Mini suede pumpkin. These ones were only $1. These guys, I forgot to say, were $3, so they were a little bit more, but I ended up getting, I think I got like 5 or 6 of these little mini pumpkins that were only $1. Then I also picked up these little pumpkins. These ones were $3. These ones are like a glass kind of ceramic material. So they came in a few different colors, kind of separated them. So here's more of the felt ones, a yellow one, a blue one. I just love the colors of these too. Okay, here's the kind of like glass ceramic little pumpkins that were $3. So they have like different shapes. I like that they are different sizes just because, I don't know, it gives it like different kind of like texture and it looks cute. So I got a few different ones. I got black ones also because you guys know our home decor is a lot of blacks and whites. So I feel like it goes with the whole theme and also fits in with the whole fall stuff also. Did I just say also twice in a row? I think I did. Oh, a little green one, like a dark green, olive green. I also grabbed these little trays that I showed you guys when we were shopping. These ones were only $3 for these two. I also grabbed these 3 little mini decor pieces. This one says, meet me at the pumpkin patch. This one says, home, and then this one says let's stay home. These ones were $1 each, and normally like when I first saw them I wouldn't get them. I'm like, they're still like miniature and small, they're almost kind of pointless. But then I realized, you know what, these 3 together are the perfect little size to put in the kitchen without like overpowering the entire kitchen and like taking over everything. So I feel like they were cute. More pumpkins. A few more things from Target. I also picked up this big white pumpkin. I think it says kind of like a storage container. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in it. But again, I thought this was so beautiful. Like this is a nice, beautiful piece and it was $15. I couldn't believe that this was $15. And then I also grabbed, oh, I forgot, I think I showed this to you guys in store, but I also grabbed a ton of these because I felt like I could put these throughout the entire kitchen, like on top of the cabinets. I don't know how that's gonna look. It might be a total disaster, but the vision I have in mind sounds really cute, so I hope it works out. So I grabbed 7 of these because they were only $4.99 for like a decent size, and it looks like good, nice quality. Grabbed a ton of them, and look, even this whole thing together you can throw in a little like vase and it could look so cute. Oh, I forgot, these 2 are from Target also. These ones were $3 each, so I plan on putting like these 2 together again in the kitchen, just kind of leaning up against the wall on the counters. Okay, moving on to Marshall's. I picked up quite a few things once again. So I've actually been looking for a different throw. This one I thought was so cute and pretty. It was $19.99. I love like the little popcorn effect on it. I don't know, it looks really like cozy and fuzzy. And if you guys can see, I don't know, like I have this black and white one here that I have up year round, but it doesn't match anything else. So grab this one. I'm gonna change it out right now. I feel like it's gonna look so much better because this one has been bugging me. Like this does not match at all. Oh, okay. I also ended up getting the little mummy guy that dances. He was way too cute. But I'm not going to put him up yet just because it isn't like Halloween yet. Once it hits October, he's going to go up by the entryway just so like whenever I walk by I can turn him on and he like makes you happy. It's kind of childish and I don't know, but it's so cute. I couldn't pass it up. He's so cute. Oh yeah, another pumpkin. This one, I don't know, just it's like a glam pumpkin. This is this was $7.99. It's so cute. I'm going to put this I think on the shelf behind me, or also even in my office upstairs. Another cute fun thing from Marshall's is this sign right here. It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Super cheesy, but again, made me happy, so of course I had to grab it. I plan on putting this over by our pantry. There's this wall right there, completely bare. There's nothing on there, so it does hang, so I think it's just gonna hang there. And then, yeah, I thought it was so cute. So love it. And I love like the colors of it and everything. And then I saw this wreath. Honestly, I fell in love and I was like, I kind of want to switch out the wreath that I currently have out on our front door. You guys saw the wreath that I bought this year. And I was like so tempted to switch it out. Then I realized, you know what? I can have both. And you know why? Because this one's going to go up on my pantry door. So on the pantry door, I saw my sister do this and I was like, you know what? That's a pretty good idea. So I'm just gonna hang it on the pantry door so it's something inside. I can see it every day when I'm cooking, when I'm in my kitchen. And I like that it's really neutral colors. So it's not gonna be, again, like super overpowering and look obnoxious. I feel like it's gonna look so pretty on the door. So look, what else, you guys? Itchy vibes, if you know what I'm talking about. This isn't exactly decor, but I did get this little mug. It says Hello Pumpkin. I always get like my fall mugs and stuff from like Marshalls or Ross or other discounted stores. I thought this one was cute. $3.99. Oh, I didn't mention the wreath that I showed you guys right now was $24.99. So I felt like that was super affordable. So I can't wait for it to actually like get really cold, because when it's cold, that's the only time that I drink hot coffee. Otherwise, it's always iced coffee or like iced lattes. So I can't wait for it to actually get cold outside and be able to drink like hot lattes and hot coffee and stuff. So I got that cup for that. And then the last thing I got is actually, it's kind of a decor piece, but it's a, you know, I'll show you. It's actually hand soap. So this one is a pumpkin latte hand wash. And this is like a legit glass. Like this is a nice pumpkin. So I felt like I can put this out either in the bathroom or here in the kitchen. And it's literally a decor piece and also hand wash, and it was only $6.99 and it smells really good. Like grabbed that, and yeah, that's everything for the decor. Now we're gonna go ahead and set it all up.
do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all.
I feel like it's kind of hard to see on camera. In person, it stands out a lot more. But I don't know how I feel about it. It's really hard to tell on camera right now. It just kind of looks like a little bloop, little bloop, bloop, bloop. How does it look? Does it look funny? No, that looks cute. Okay, in person that looks really cute.
Yeah, I know.
More. Alright, so that completes this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a ton over there. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.